we'll guide you through how to use the Snap to Guide feature in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. You'll want to ensure your guides are visible, so go to the View menu at the top and make sure Guides is checked. Once that's done, let's focus on enabling the Snap to Guide feature. Look towards the right side of your window where you'll see a vertical toolbar with several snapping options. Make sure the Snap Controls bar is visible. If it's not, you can enable it by going to View, then click on Show Hide and select Snap Controls bar. You'll see a magnet icon at the top of this bar, which is the master snap toggle. Click it to enable snapping next. You'll need to activate snapping specifically to guides. Look for the icon that looks like a small triangle next to a larger triangle inside the Snap Controls bar. It's called Snap to Guides, and you need to click this to enable snapping to guides specifically in your design workspace. Now, when you drag objects around, they should automatically snap to your guides, making alignment much more precise. This is particularly useful when you're aligning multiple objects or trying to keep your layout clean. A quick tip, if you find snapping too strong or too weak, you can adjust the snap distance. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and navigate to the snapping section. There you can adjust the snap distance to suit your needs. This feature is incredibly handy for ensuring all elements in your design are perfectly aligned without any manual adjustments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.